What's up, YouTube? Emerson back here. We're going to do another video today on how to put the heel shifter on our 2020 Road Glide Special here. Just got this thing, so it needed some parts, some upgrades. The heel shifter wasn't on it. Got that. That part we did get right from Harley Davidson. Today I'm going to show you how to get the toe shifter off, change out the spacers, which all comes with the kit. If you have a smaller spacer, we're going to be taking out this big one right here, sliding the factory toe shifter in, and putting on the new heel shifter. If you have a torque wrench, you might want to use that. You only need about 10 to 12 pounds of torque. Today, I'm just using a 3/16 Allen wrench, 1/4 inch Allen wrench, and a 7/16 socket. Hopefully we can get all this taken apart and put back together within a few minutes. It says it takes about 30. I'm guessing it's going to take about 15. So here we go. Let's get started.
Do you ever work? Ever?
Alright, first things first, we are going to mark the original one right where it is. I don't have a grease pen, so I'm just going to use a very fine point Sharpie to basically put little marks exactly where it's going to sit before. And we're not going to see this ever again, so that's okay. You're going to need 3/16 Allen wrench, and come on little dude, just untighten this guy. Slide it right off. Alright, so it does have grease, so careful for that. Take this spacer off, the big one, gone. So now you have a smaller one to create room for both levers. We'll slide this guy back on. Make sure that's nice and tight. And get the original. And we're going to try to line this back up with our mark here. Actually, this is up here more. Let me see if it's... Here we go. Come on. Loosen up. Alright. Now, see my mark? Right in line. That's okay. Slide that guy all the way in. Make sure this is nice and tight. Put some... Oh. Dropped one of my nuts. Just kidding. Alright, put that guy back on. So put a little back pressure on the back here. Slide this in all the way. And try to tighten that guy down. Alright, so... this back on. Only need about 10 pounds of pressure, which is not a lot. That's about 10 pounds. Alright. Now we're going to tighten these back up after like 100, 150 miles. New lever. When it goes on, right, roughly, keep this about 2 inches, maybe like, it's actually going to be, I'd say right about there. Let me just see what that's going to look like. So that's roughly as far as you want it. I might turn it just a hair more, actually. It's very adjustable. You want it to be about 160 degrees. So this will not be enough room, so we got to go up a little. Just one notch. You can see the spacing in between these. Alright, so this, it's roughly 2 inches. That's pretty much what we want here. And we're gonna tighten this down, and then we're gonna click through some gears and see how it's looking. Drop this guy through, get your nut started. Yeah, a lot quicker than 15 minutes, huh? So, new rubber stop for the heel shifter. The bolt that comes right from Harley goes in, sits inside the divot. Screw comes out, already has thread locker on it. We're gonna get this guy started. This will be your 1/4 inch Allen wrench. So just start getting it on there. Yeah, it's going in beautifully. Alright, and this, give it the same, about 10 pounds. I might put it down a hair more. Let's see, let me get on the bike. It's a little high for my taste. Especially if you wear boots. We're actually going to drop it down a hair. Take the bolt out. Alright, so take it off just enough so you know where you are. I'm going to turn it down just a hair and slide it back on. So, 1 up, 2 down. To see how close this is, 1/4 inch. That's where I like it. You know, if you like it, I mean, I wear boots most of the time. That's where I like it. That's where we're leaving it. Tighten this back up. All right, get your wrench back on. About 10. Clutch in. 1, 2. Look, it doesn't hit. It's 1/4 inch above. Plenty of room. Plenty of room, but that way, yeah, I like it. Look at that. Look at that space. It's perfect. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you like these videos. Hit the like button if you can, if this video helped in any way. Stay tuned for some more Harley videos and different motorcycle videos. I think we're going to be doing some LED lighting on this bad boy pretty shortly. Got to order a new kit. We'll get to the Street Glide. We're going to delete that antenna soon. It's already out of the bike from the tour pack, but anyways guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you on the next one. I didn't like that ending. Can we start over? Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.